Hey everybody, how's it going? Um, I've got a small short video that I want to make today. Um, I bought this from Takealot. Uh, the delivery was very quick for Takealot. I ordered it on last Monday around 5 o'clock, and I received this product on Tuesday 4 o'clock. The delivery was very quick, very quick. Trust me. In South Africa, if you buy something online, your main concern for most of the purchase is when you're gonna get it, when you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it in a day's time or 5 days time or a month's time or 5 months. Um, but take a lot. I've been buying from them for nearly 10 years, I guess. Nearly 10 years. No, sorry. My bad. I'm buying from them around from 2013, 2014, somewhere there. So plus minus 6, 7 years, and every time they improving on their delivery ways. They always very quick. Um, why I am so excited to do this video? Have a look at this tool. It's a charging station. I learn about this charging station from another YouTuber. His channel's name is NorthridgeFix, Mr. Alex. He is selling on his e-commerce website from his shop. He's also selling the same type of charging station, which is very convenient, very handy for us, the guys who's doing the repair for cell phone, laptops, and um, tablets. Because you can see this machine has 8 different charging ports. Let me show you how does it look. This is the machine itself. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red color USB port. This ones they are delivering uh, 5 volt 5 volt 2 amp each. So if I want, I can connect 6 devices at the same time to charge at a rate of 2 amp, which is if you guys remember the Samsung's charger before this expensive phones came out like S10, S9, they have a bigger charger, but the normal Samsung charger, the quick charger, the first quick charger for Samsung, they used to come with a 2 amp maximum current rating on their charger. So this machine, little machine of mine, it cost me 799, 800 rand. It's little bit more than um, $50, 50 $55 US dollar, 50 55, I think. And it has also a port, charging port, that is USB-C. You can see there that one on a 5 volt. I think the output current will be, I don't really want to read the manual, but nothing here states clearly everything. Let me rather read it to you guys. It's a very handy charger, very handy charger. Trust me. I wanted to buy it for a long time from Mr. Alex NorthridgeFix, but unfortunately, he is in America. So his product normally comes from America, uh, and they don't ship to South Africa because the courier service they use, they don't deliver in South Africa. And South Africa also has international um, traveling and courier stuff. They have restriction at the moment because of COVID situation. So I can't really buy it from Mr. Alex from America because I they can't ship it to me. So anyway, I was looking. Suddenly, I find this unit on Takealot. I was very lucky actually, and it was actually a last piece that they had. So as soon as I ordered this, and then I see in Takealot website this product is not available, out of stock. So anyway, let me go through the what you call details of those ports that we have there. English. Okay, here it is. Right. This QC308, you can see in the screen, the green one. That is a, it's stated it's a PD charging port, USB charging port, where you can get 18 watts of charging capability. I think 18 watts should work out um, on 5 volts. This green one can allow us to charge up to 3.6 amp on a 5 volt. And I believe um, the USB-C and the green USB charging port can also charge up to, they can charge up to, I believe, the writing is so small. Anyway, let me see here. 9 volt and 12 volt. So this two can automatically set the charging voltage to 9 or 12 depending on what type of device I am connecting it to. But I will say this I can probably charge a laptop, USB charging port, uh, a laptop with USB charging port, I believe, but it must be 12 volt maximum. So um, all these ports they charge quite fast, not fast as my Samsung original charger that I have for my Note 10 Ultra that I'm currently using. I don't it doesn't charge like my original charger. That original charger for Samsung Note 10 is very fast. It takes about an hour and 5 minutes for my original charger to charge my Note 10 Ultra phone. And on this one, because this USB red ones, they only allow giving maximum 2 amps. So it charges my Note 10 phone about 2.5 hours, which is not so bad. It's quite good. Remember, guys, this has multi ports, and you can use all these ports at the same time. Well, I don't know how it's gonna act as when you put all the USBs you use. same time to charge different devices. I'm not sure if it's gonna get overheated or not, because I don't want to open this box to see what is inside. Remember, it's not a uh, I haven't get this one as a sponsor from any company or anything. It's not a sponsored video. It's a product that I bought from Takealot. I really liked it and I want you guys to understand it. Maybe you guys also like, and it can be useful for you guys. So I'm just out of my heart. I'm just admiring this product, and that's why I'm trying to make this video. And the other things, the best things that I haven't said yet or mentioned yet is it has a Wi-Fi charging deck. So I don't have to connect my phone on the cables. I can just leave it on top. That's the cherry on top of the pie, you can say. It's very, 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 very useful, this product. I will demonstrate to you guys how this things works. There you guys can see this is a really, really a very nice little machine. It comes with a cable. You don't have to buy, and it's a two pin plug. The normal one, I think they call it a European two pin plug. It's not American standard. So for South Africa and most of the Asian countries, and I think African countries also, this should be good. European style, I believe. Right. Now let's see the wireless charging capability. It can charge up to 10 watt, depending on the phone, I believe. You guys can see, and it's a 10 watt. So basically, it's charging my phone at the moment wirelessly uh, at 5 volt 2 amp, which is quite good because I did bought a Samsung original Wi-Fi charging station or charger dock 2 3 years back. That only charges our phone, I think 1.5 amp max, and that is slow, quite slow than compared to this one. This one is charging at the moment 2 amp. So I like it because when I'm working on this desk, I don't have to look for wires and stuff to charge my phone. I can just leave it there, and you can see there you go, it's charging 1 hour 10 minutes. So that's one way to charge my phone. If I have a Wi-Fi wireless charging option on my phone, that will do. And the wired charging, put it there, take out, and I connect my phone here. It's gonna show you what voltage and what amperage that the phone is being charged with. So this machine is at the moment giving my phone 5.2 volt at 2 amp current. So 2 amp is always good. My original charger can give, I think, I'm not sure how many amps it can provide to my phone, but it's more than 2 amp, around 3, 4, 5 amp. I'm not sure. I never checked really. But remember one thing: the more fast you charge your cell phone's battery, the more quick the life gets finished on the cell phone. So I don't mind to charge my phone at 2 amp current, and that is quite safe for my phone. And I mean, for the battery, it's quite safe for uh, it's very good for my battery. It will last longer because it's not charging too fast, it's not charging too slow. um yeah. Let me show you charging a phone with while I'm charging two phone together. Okay. Let's see if this cable is good. And it shows you on the display which port you are using to charge, which port is giving what amperage. It shows you there. Sorry for that. Okay, this phone is also charging. Come on, come on, come on. The old cat phone that I bought second hand, and yes, it's charging. Let me try to show you guys. Look, charging port number one is been occupied, and charging port number six is also occupied. So it's very, very, very nice, cool, small tool. I really love it. You can see. And then I can still, let's say, while I'm charging any phone wired wise, is charging my phone that has a Wi-Fi wireless charging capabilities. I'm also charging that with, and then it's gonna show you. If you see this one, this is my number six port is charging my cat phone with 5.2 volt at 1.5 amp. This cat phone can take more than 1.5 amp, I believe. And my Wi-Fi charging dock is giving my Note 10 a 10 watt um, charging rate. 10-watt charging rate means it's charging around uh, on 2 amp current. So it's very handy, very, very, very handy. Cool toy, cool toy. I will recommend for any one of you guys, whether in South Africa, go look in Takealot. I hope they get this product back on their product list. And if you guys are in other countries, look online. If you don't get this um on your local store, you can try online. You can try also um, Banggood. You can try to buy it from eBay, Amazon. I'm going to leave you guys the links that where you can buy this product in South Africa and outside South Africa, where you can purchase this product. Um, you will get those links. I will leave those links on the bottom of the video so you guys can see. Trust me, you guys will like it, love it. You're not gonna disappoint with this product. Right, I'm gonna end this video now. It's also nearly 5 o'clock in the morning. I think I'm not gonna get any sleep today. I will have to do my certain work I need to do. So probably during the day I will have some sleep. But anyway, guys, I will end this video, and you guys all, I hope, enjoy this video. It's very, very cool tool, cool video, I believe. Please subscribe my channel and press the like button and leave some comments on the comment section, and let me know what more cool tool that I can try to make video with. Um, Thank you very much. Goodbye.